Everybody, today we will speak about the outdoor enclosure from Rakwireless. This outdoor enclosure is this specific one, it's made for rack miners and is doing very well job. It's made completely from aluminium and he come basically from the outdoor enclosure, two pieces, and included with it it's this to give internet and power at the same time. This is the splitter to give internet to miner and give power to the miner, of course. And this one, he gives a signal to the antenna. And also come this with support. This is who hold him. And in the kit include also the injector, the power supply for the injector. This is a double-side tape to use him to cover the antenna, and the black tape, of course. And these screws, this is from my other outdoor enclosure. I show you these screws. When you assemble them, they will look like this. The other small ones, this is from behind, like we will see here. Use them from the behind. Here to inject Ethernet or PoE, and from the front and female flange, 4 holes. So the factory recommend to not plug antenna more than 5.8, excuse me for my language, but he can hold even 8 dB antenna. I tried with 8 dB antenna, it worked. With 5.8 it worked amazing, but he can even handle 8 dB antenna from Rakwireless. So I buy as an extra stuff, I buy Cat 8 Ethernet cable for outdoors use, and I buy another Cat 8 flat for the people who want to cross the cable from the window. And this is, you need a patch cable, a tools. This is it for the outdoor enclosure. For the other videos I will show you the best cables that you can use and the best antenna you can use for your situation. See you in the next video.